Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing in, use your email or mobile and complete the OTP quickly. This links progress to your account. Once in, go straight to the search bar and type a subject or course code. Make sure to apply filters for level and certificate, because that narrows results. After you find a course, tap Enroll to join immediately or add to wishlist for later. Note the start date and estimated duration so you can plan study sessions accordingly. Once enrolled, open the course dashboard and follow the module sequence for a logical learning path, although you can jump to specific lectures if needed. Make sure to download PDFs and videos for offline study. This prevents interruptions when you're offline. Use the progress bar to monitor completion and attempt quizzes after each unit. Submit assignments before their deadlines and save drafts frequently to avoid data loss. If a quiz is timed, allocate to finish, confirm eligibility criteria. Check required attendance percentage, minimum quiz scores, and that all assignments are submitted. Once results are published, download your certificate from Profile and save the PDF. If the certificate doesn't appear, first clear app cache and relaunch, then ensure the app is updated. If issues persist, contact support and provide the course ID, enrollment ID, and screenshots. This speeds resolution and helps support restore records or recalculate eligibility quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.